Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app taking up storage on Android. First, you just need to go to the settings. Now scroll down and find the apps menu here, where you will find all the applications listed in one place. So for example, I'm taking two applications here like CapCut and the Chrome browser. So in CapCut you can find the storage that it captured from our device storage. So you can just tap on it and scroll a little bit and you will find storage here. Now from here you can find the cache file or the data. So you just need to, if you find that cache file is too long, then you can just tap on clear cache button here. So it won't actually delete your application or delete any data that are related with your application. It just clear the additional cache file that are not useful that much. So it will just clear that unusual additional files from your application. So it can clear a huge amount of megabyte from your storage. So that's how you can just simply fix app taking up storage on Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.